If we get lots of coughs and colds, this can be from the cold entering at the back and causing chi stagnation up and down the bladder channels, either side of the spine, on the back, right down through the coccyx, well, either side of the coccyx, around the sacrum and down the backs of the legs. This is the bladder channel and also governed by the whole kidney energetic system. So kidney chi deficiency, how can we address that? Well, we can eat lots of really good kidney chi replenishing foods. These would be blue-black in color, would involve seaweeds, black beans, turtle beans, kidney beans, aduki beans. If you can make a tea from aduki beans, this is really good for nourishing the kidney energy. Blackberries, blueberries, black rice, full of vitamins and minerals, and that's what we want to replenish kidney deficiency. We want plenty of vitamins and minerals, plenty of warming teas like Kukicha tea, which is a bancha twig. It's tea made from twigs and branches, and I'd recommend barley water and bone broth for really kind of nourishing that kidney chi.